So a question that sometimes comes up is, how do the power levels on a microwave oven affect your radiation exposure when in close proximity to it? And if you didn't know, microwave ovens do leak. So if you are near a microwave oven, then you're exposed to the radiation because it's not a perfect Faraday cage. And that's an easy enough thing to prove. Here we have the handy dandy radio frequency meter, and it's currently measuring radio frequency. It's on that mode. And if we go ahead and start the microwave oven, then we'll see that the meter readings immediately pick up. And 1827 means that the meter is maxed out. So that's what we're looking at there. And of course it goes back down. Now, by default, when you turn on a microwave oven, it's running at full power. And you can see what that actually is by looking inside. You should see a power rating, and might be a bit hard to see here, but it says 1.5 kilowatts or 1500 watts is this particular microwave. Some models may vary, obviously. And the way that these power levels work is they're not adjusting the actual power output of the magnetron, essentially, but instead it's using some form of PWM to effectively modify the duty cycle. So instead of the microwave being on all the time, it may only be on some of the time, depending on what power level you choose. And we can see that here if we turn this on and then immediately set the power level to 1. And you may have just heard a click and the volume decreased slightly, and now we don't see any radiation because it's actually not radiating the food right now. So really all that it's doing is modifying the duty cycle. At some point it will kick back in, just did, and now we see the radiation goes up again, and now it's turned off again. So at power level 1, it's hardly ever on, and this is obviously when you're cooking something in the microwave. It's ideal if you want low heat for foods that may need to heat up more slowly in order to cook effectively. But from a radiation perspective, what it means is that there are basically bursts of the normal amount of microwave energy you might be exposed to, but it's not actually on all the time. Now we can change the power level. Now at power level 5, as you might expect, it's on about half of the time. And there it kicks back in. So effectively, power level 5, it's roughly a 50% duty cycle. And power level 0, there's effectively nothing here. We can do power level 9. And now it's radiating constantly.